Hi everyone. So it's a crazy morning here. Actually, yesterday my plan was to do a haul video, but the embroidery video or the sewing machine, the Singer Legacy SE300 video, took me a long time to record it and edit it and all that stuff, so the day got away from me. But we have the cable guy here right now working on the cable because it keeps going out, which is really annoying. So I have some stuff from JoAnn, I think a couple HobbyLobby, maybe some HSN. If any of those things are still available, I'll link them in the description. Well, not any of those things, basically the HSN items. I'll link them in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links, possibly embedded in the video here. But I'll probably be pausing a lot because people are going in and out of the house. So let's see. Oh, at JoAnn, I think I made a quick video showing you guys that I cannot be trusted there. They have everything Halloween 50% off, and they have tons of home decorations. So I saw this and I was like, what is this? I'm like, oh, it's a measuring cup set. How cute is that? So I had to grab that. To be honest, it'll probably be out all year. It's very cute. I had shown you guys these on the video too. I picked up some of these little treat, you know, for me, maybe I put hard candy, to be honest, because I like making hard candy. So, like lollipops and things, they can definitely be poured in here. So look at the moths and the little mushrooms, so cute. And then again, the little witchy poo fingers, I can definitely pour that, put my popsicle stick, well, not popsicle, lollipop stick, and good to go. These little potion bottles that are super cute. And then here we have like some skulls and some scary little snakes. I mean, these are obviously, you can do soaps, you can do chocolates. If you're going to do soaps, I probably wouldn't do chocolates afterward, but you know, this should be non-toxic, so who knows, but that's up to you. A couple of cookie stamps. I love these kinds of things. These are super cute. I will say the first one I picked up, it was broken. Like this was completely broken, so I can see where these aren't like the highest quality, but you know, that's okay. I got some little, look at this one with the little pie. I could not pass that up. That is too cute. So we have those guys. These, I picked up 2 of them because it looks like basically you're making a cupcake in the skull. There's 4 of them in here, which is nice. It's not just like 1 or 2, you know. But I figure I probably should have gotten 12, to be honest. Anyway, 12 of them. Because you just bake in the head, which is super cute. So to me, it's like a cupcake cup, you know. Or put your treat in there, or however you're going to do that. Very adorable. So I got 2 of those. Pumpkin liners? Yeah, cupcake liners that are super cute. This, Miranda's gonna love this. She loves, you know, her little beading things that look like this, and this is just to decorate, you know, just cookies and cupcakes and things like that. So I always like making lots of treats, so she's gonna enjoy that. Very cute. I did pick up some extra eyeballs that look like they had, like, they're bloodshot, should I say. And because I can't help myself, and I love things like this, little bottle openers, but the little hand, and then this one. They had all kinds of things for the bar, which is kind of interesting because when I was at Home Goods not too long ago, they also have a ton of things that are Halloween related, but like bar related. And I don't know if I showed them to you guys, did I? I have some bottles that have like a mix in them, and you're supposed to just add in like your vodka or your whatever to make them flavored and stuff, or to make an actual drink, which I thought was really fun. But the bottles is what I really wanted. I don't really care about the stuff that was in there. They're really awesome. And then they had like toppers were like skulls or like something cool. So I don't remember if I showed them here. Mini cupcake liners, which are adorable. Look at that. I love the colors on these. So cute. What else? Oh, I think in this bag there's one other item that is a little baking, I would say cocotte, or whatever, however you pronounce that. They only had 1 of these. I would love to have gotten 4 if they had 4. And it says rest in peace even. They had like a pumpkin shape that was a little bit larger, and then some other little like cauldrons. What? No, if they were cauldrons, I would have bought them. I think they were smaller pumpkins. And then, oh, that's what it was. It was a larger cauldron and then smaller pumpkins out like this. And they only had the 1, so I grabbed the 1. Maybe I'll look online and see if they have them, because I would like to have a set of 4. How fun is that? But also, when I went back the next day, because they didn't have my pickup in store order ready, they were all gone. I was like, yeah, of course, because like they're so cute, you know. Okay, let me put these things back in this bag and grab another JoAnn bag. I went back to pick up my order, and I also picked some of this up. And honestly, I probably didn't need to. I ordered some more stabilizer and things like that for my embroidery videos. I have tons of this stuff already. Well, not tons. I don't really go overboard on buying these because they're not cheap, right? Especially at JoAnn's. I think they wanted $37 for each one of these. and that's kind of crazy. I will, if they're on Amazon, I'll link them there. It's just that for Amazon, it was gonna be like a week out, and I'm like, why? I guess because it's not something that people buy that often. I don't know, but whoever's selling it, all the vendors, it was always like a week out, and I was like, I can't wait for a week. Having said that, a big, huge roll of stabilizer arrived today, and which is perfect in time for me to do the embroidery video, and it's a tearaway kind, and it was a set of, I'm not kidding, the roll is like a paper towel roll, but like the thickest paper towel roll you've ever seen, plus 2 stabilizer, like the little sprays, basting sprays, for 40 bucks. This was $36.99 by itself. And anyway, the only reason I grabbed it too is because this one I have not tried yet, self-adhesive tearaway stabilizer, so I thought, you know, we can try that possibly. I love Super Solvy and I do need more of this, so I went ahead and grabbed some of this. I had a 40% off coupon and then like a certain percentage off the top, but that wasn't my favorite pricing, but sometimes I gotta do it for the videos, so. And then I grabbed this because I thought it was so cute, but now that I look at it, it's all broken. I should return it. I'm gonna have to return it. I just realized like all these little things that hold your thread are busted. That's not good. These are okay. And that's probably what I had noticed when I picked it up, but didn't see these last few cracked. They had tons of them, so I'm sure I'll find some that are broken. Just some pretty colors. I need some more threads, and you know, especially with embroidery, and I have tons already, and I love my threads, and you know, you kind of go through these. Depends on how heavy, you know, you need to use some of these, but it's nice to have a variety of colors so that when you're doing your projects, you can pick a yellow and you can pick a green that works for you or whatever, and not have to like not be happy with the color you chose, right? So anyway, this is just a cute one that I picked up. I like polyester and rayon threads for embroidery. For sewing you can use this, but it's not necessary. But for your embroidery, it just looks nicer. You know, they're just like shiny and pretty. But if you want to use cotton, you can use cotton. Anyway, so I just grabbed that. But now I will have to go back to JoAnn. Oh darn. Gotta go back to JoAnn. And then, what else do I have here? It looks like I have a few different things. Oh yeah, okay. So HobbyLobby, I just jumped in real quick. I don't even know if I made the video yet for you guys. A quick peek at the place, but this is the order I placed online. Online they had, I think, 40 or 50% off all their threads, but at the store they did not. So whatever. It was a doorbuster, or it was like 60% off, something like that. But at the store it was just regular pricing. So anyway, I only picked up what I needed on that because I just wanted to get some more bobbin thread. Again, for embroidery, machine embroidery, you need a really, really, really thin bobbin thread because you're using tons of this. And then I picked up some gold because I love gold embroidery thread, and I knew I would need it, so I just picked up what I thought were going to be larger. Usually if I'm at the store and I see this, I want the big, big guy, so this is kind of like a medium size. And I also grabbed these flour sack towels so I can embroider on. Now, of course, you can do your little Aunt Lydia's, or Aunt Martha's. I always say Aunt Lydia's. I just realized it's Aunt Martha's. Oh my gosh, how funny. Anyway, I picked these up for the embroidery, but I've done videos where you can just use like a Dollar Tree towel. Obviously, those aren't the highest quality, and they are kind of thin, so it's always nice to embroider a nice quality towel, especially if you're going to give it away, right? But something to think about. I did grab some fat quarters because I do not have a lot of fabric anymore, guys. I kind of went away from the quilting thing, so I haven't bought fabric in, I don't know, maybe over 10 years because I had so much, so I was just not buying anymore. I remember I bought some strawberry shortcake fabric for like Miranda, like a little project I was due for her. But that's it, and that was literally like 10 years ago, so I don't know. But I did grab these. I don't know, this is all frayed. That doesn't matter. What I was looking for, actually, does it say there's 5 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? This one only has 4. Okay, so I have a couple of things to go return. Honestly, I don't even know if I care. Actually, I do care on this one, because these were expensive. I was surprised. I'm like, what? They were like 20 some odd dollars. Yeah. No, they can't be 20. I think they were like 14 bucks. That's what it was. But I did have a coupon on top, so I will definitely take this back with me. What is going on, JoAnn? And then these have their 5 pieces. You know, this has its 5, I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 2 separate ones, even though they look very similar. Okay, and this one looks like 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I grabbed these because I knew I'd be doing embroidery where you do like an applique kind of thing, and you just need a little bit of fabric or whatever it is. And I just grabbed colors that I thought would be pretty, that, you know, would work for me. So I grabbed those. I'm definitely going to return this. I guess I'm going to take that other thing back too. My goodness. Honestly, I don't really want another errand to run, but that's okay. And I was joking when I was like, oh, gotta go back. I did get this. I thought this was so cute. I love the little kit that's in here because card making. But I love this. I like the look of this embroidery. And how cute would that be, like in the RV? Oh my gosh. maybe I'll do that project for the RV. Cute, because we go to the beach quite often in that thing. But I love, you know, cross stitching, and I mean, how cute is that? Okay, a knitting book, just because the things that were in here were super cute. Look at these little guys. Oh, we don't have any little ones like that. Look, I love the Shaun the Sheep things. Oh, Dorian, when he was little, he loved Shaun the Sheep, and he called Shaun the Sheep, Shaun the Sheep. And I could tell you more stories. It's just so cute. I always remember him loving to watch Shaun the Sheep. Or like Timmy, is that the other one? They're very similar to me, and then it would just be like animal noises and no talking, and it was so cute. Now I grabbed this and I was like, did I buy this last year? Do you guys remember? I feel like these look like maybe new designs, hopefully. It says, you know, 2024. Sorry, somebody just walked in, but in the meantime, I was looking at my receipt to see about exchanging this. And you know what? Those bundles, even though they cost $13 initially, they were like on some kind of sale, and then I did have a on top of coupon basically, so they were $5. But still, I got to go back and return that Gutterman, so I'll still return it. That's the bummer. Or exchange it. Guys, again, someone keeps walking in and out, but I don't know. I feel like this is different. Oh, Magic Beans Cafe for an enchanting brew. That is so cute. Okay, so let's see the Hobby Lobby stuff. So I was a very good girl at Hobby Lobby. I went in to pick up basically basting spray because that still hasn't arrived. And so supposedly you're not supposed to use this stuff when you're doing your machine embroidery, and it probably does slow it down a little bit. I mean, you can imagine there's a little gumminess that, you know, the needle's going up and down, and it might even void your warranty for your machine. Okay, so that's not something I recommend, but I do it and I don't care. Like, I've never had a problem, and I mean, that's fine. So I did see this one as June Taylor, and it was $11.99. No coupon at Hobby Lobby, unfortunately, so that just wasn't on sale right now, like the Notions or whatever. But I did pick up these little guys. I guess I shouldn't say I was that good, because they had some gingerbread men. I'll grab them in a moment. That I just had to get for Miranda. Like, all she needs is another stuffy, but they were too cute, and I couldn't just get the little girl. I had to get both of them, so I'll show you them in a minute. But I always get an ornament for the kids every year, and so this will be this year's ornament. But these little, if they had the little boy ones to go with this, I would have loved that for Miranda and the two boys, but they did not. So here we go. We just have a ton of ornaments. I just noticed these are crushed. My goodness, I really just want the one, but that's I might have to stop back in there too. I don't know if I can pop that out. I don't think I can. Aw, but these look so old school to me. I thought they were really cute. That's annoying. Not great, not great. These guys, I really looked at them and I picked out the right ones, and I don't know what I was thinking on that one. I think it might have been the last box, so if that's the case, I guess we'll see. And I did pick up some fat quarters there when I was in the fabric area. They were $1.49 every day. Just, that's the pricing. Oh my gosh, a set of tools, because I'm telling you, at this house, where's, you know, this, where's that, where's the one, you know, and we're always misplacing these. I could tell you, I have like a million of these, but they are smaller, and that's one of the differences. So I picked this set up for like smaller little things that we work on here and there. And then I grabbed a ton of these. Apparently they have embroidery threads or flosses that are, or I guess these are threads, that are the Hobby Lobby, you know, Sewology brand. That they are $3.49, but supposedly every day now they're going to be $1.99 or 99 cents, and then $1.99 if they're priced higher, something weird like that. I don't think it was a sale. It was just like that's the everyday price, even though the label says something else. So I picked up some pretty colors, pretty much everything they had. I think there's a couple gold ones and something maybe white that I didn't pick up, but I picked up all the. Again, these are nylon poly that are very shiny, and you can see they're much more shiny than like the ones I showed you earlier. Okay, that is it from Hobby Lobby, because again, I was trying to be good. Ugh, that kind of bums me out. We'll see. Okay, I'll be right back with a couple other items I think from HSN. So most of my other items from the craft day are processing, or they shipped, but they're not here. And then somebody said that the Create 10 won't ship out until October sometime, so that makes sense. Why is this so thick? Oh, there's a coupon in there. The receipt was really thick. Oh, these are the Diamond Press Large Sentiment Dies Fall Auto Ship. Remember I just mentioned that I was expecting a new set of these. I actually prefer when they don't actually remove the stickiness on that, because it's so hard to open these sometimes. Oh my goodness, how cute. So again, auto ship. That means it's not available, guys. And every time I say that, people still ask, where's the link for it? And I'm sorry, or, you know, where can they find it kind of thing. And when it's an auto ship, they don't have it yet. So sometimes they'll bring these back. I haven't really seen these either, right? The large, like, extra ones on HSN, but this is fall. So the first one was like, I don't remember what the first one was, but this is already like the 5th or 6th iteration, so that's really cool. They had, I think, a 1.5 year auto ship on this. Hello Autumn, thanks a latte. There's always something to be grateful for. Hello Pumpkin, thank you. Sweet as pie. I mean, these are warm harvest blessings. Thankful for you. Sweater weather and happy Thanksgiving. Very nice. Love the sizing on them. Hope you can kind of tell by the size of my hand. Again, large sentiment dies. Super happy to have these. Very cute. So if they ever come out, I'll try to alert you guys, but again, it just seems like those guys, they don't. Oh, this is something very boring. I can feel by the heaviness of this. And they did sell out on HSN, but maybe Crafters Companion obviously will have them for their site. You know, I'm doing more and more with like felt, and now with my embroidery machine, maybe some more. Well, the applique thing, the machine does it itself, but if I want to do applique, I can do it also differently. But you want to cut things out, right? So I did order, these are heavy. They're for the Gemini 2. They are the cutting plates for fabric, basically, so you can cut into the metal shim, right? So that's what they are. There's 2 in here. These are really heavy. Okay, so cool. Grab those. The larger ones had already sold out, so I just didn't grab those. And one more thing, and I'm not going to open it because I already opened it for you guys before. This is the Anna Griffin auto ship, but she does have them available. A lot of times Anna Griffin things do come to HSN, or even most of the Crafters Companion auto ships, like they have overstock, come to HSN, or they release them there, you know, just later than people who are on auto ship program. So this is the Simply Noel scrapbooking set, and I already have one, so I already showed you guys every single bit of it, so I'm not going to open it right now. I'll just leave this the way it is, and hopefully we'll start scrapbooking that very soon, because I know you guys are curious or would like to see some ideas on that. I kind of want to do the mini album first, because I didn't do the Wildflower Meadow mini album. I just have it, but I didn't tutorialize it, so we might go from there, and that'll give you ideas to use the 12-inch book anyway. Just make it bigger, right? The 12-inch border instead of the 8-inch border, or whatever we do. So all right guys, I think that's all I have for now. I'm talking very quietly because I don't know where people are doing what they're doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll have links as available, and I will see you all at the next one. I hope you're all doing well. Bye now.